Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make vertical jitter effects as transition in the ShotCut app. So here I've already opened the ShotCut. So just add your clips and photos. After that, to add the vertical jitter transition, click on the transition box. Swipe through the category until you find this dissolve category, then swipe until you find this vertical jitter. Click on that, adjust the duration and the strength. Here I'm going to make it 0.8 second, and I'm going to choose the strength is 3. Click on apply to all, click on the check icon, and this is the result. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on the like, leave a comment, also click on the thanks. Bye.